Cinema. I am from the Mathematics Study Program.
Hello, my name is Citra Divika Sri Arifin. I am from the Mathematics Study Program.
Hello, my name is Zulfa Fauzulmuna. I want to try spell my name. Zulfafuzulmuna. I'm from Mathematics Study Programs.
I will sum of the meanings of point, lines, field, and line segment. Point. A point is something that has a position but does not have length, width, or size. A dot is represented by a capital letter next to the dot, I or P. Line. Line is a set of points whose members consist of more than one point. A line is denoted by using a lowercase letter such as G, H, K, so on, or two capital letters such as IB, IC, BC, and so on. Field. Field is a set of lines whose members consist of more than one line. A field has a length and width and is named by mentioning the corner point of the plane. In this figure, a field is shown, namely the ABCD field. Line segment. A line segment is a portion of a line bounded by two distinct endpoints and contains all the points on the line between their ends. This image is called a segment IB, which is written without the arrows. Segment IB is the set of points I and B and all points between I and B.
Number 2. Understanding polygons, circles, and solids. A. Understanding polygons in general. A polygon is a closed figure in a place. Flat surface bounded by straight lines. An equilateral polygon is a polygon having congruent sides. Thus, a square is an equilateral polygon. An equiangular polygon is a polygon having congruent angles. Thus, a rectangle is an equiangular polygon. A regular polygon is an equilateral and equiangular polygon. Thus, the polygon in fact 6(2) is a five-sided equilateral and equiangular polygon. Answer. Using the same letter for sets indicates they are congruent. Congruent angles may be shown by using arcs crossed by the same number of strokes. Two angles are congruent if their measures are equal. Thus, two 60 derajat angles are congruent. Arch, diameter, radius, B. The circumference is the distance around a circle. A radius is a line joining the center to a point on the circumference. All radii of a circle are equal. A chord is a line joining and two points of the circumference. A diameter is a chord through the center. A diameter is which a radius. It is the largest chord. Sector is a part of the area of a circle bounded by an or and two radii. C. Understanding triangles. 1. An equilateral triangle has their congruent set. It also has three equal angles, each 60 degrees. 2. An isolateral triangle has at least two congruent sets. It also has at least two congruent angles. The congruent angles only along the base B and are called the base angles. 3. A scalene triangle has no congruent sets. 4. A rectangle has one right angle. Each hypotenuse is opposite the right angles. Its lengths are the other two sets. The symbol for the right angle is a square corner. 5. A both triangle has one obtuse angle. 6. An acute triangle has all acute angles. Less that. D. Understanding quadrilateral. 1. A parallelogram has two parts of parallel sets. Its opposite side and its opposite angles are congruent. The distance between the two bases. This distance is a right angle to both bases. Number 2. A rhombus has four congruent sets. Its opposite angles are concurs. It is an equilateral parallelogram. 3. Rectangle has four right angles. Its base B and its height E are congruent. It is an equilateral parallelogram. 4. A square has four congruent sets and four right angles. It is equilateral and equilateral parallelogram. A square unit is a square whose set is 1 unit. Thus, 1 square foot is a square whose set is 1 foot. 5. A trapezoid has one and only one pair of parallel sides. The bases are represented by B and B equation. 6. Isosceles trapezoid has two congruent legs, no parallel set, note the congruent angles.
Understanding solid. Number 1. A solid is an enclosed portion of space bounded by plane and curved surface. Thus, the pyramid, the cube, the cone, the cylinder, and the sphere. Number 2. A polyhedron is a solid bounded by plane or flat surface only. Thus, the pyramid and cube are polyhedrons. The cone, cylinder, and sphere are not polyhedrons since each has a curved surface. The face of a polyhedron are its bounding polygons. The edge of a polyhedron are the sides of the face. Number 3. A prism is a polyhedron, two of whose faces are parallel polygons and whose remaining faces are parallelograms. The base of a prism are its parallel polygons. These might have any number of sides. The lateral or side faces are its parallelograms. The distance between the two bases is h. This line is at right angles to its base. A right prism is a prism whose lateral face rectangles. Distance h is the height of any of the lateral faces. Number 4. A rectangular solid or box is a prism bounded by six rectangles. The rectangular solids can be formed from the pattern of six rectangles followed along the dotted lines. The length L, the width W, and the height H are its dimensions. Number 5. A cube is a rectangular solid bounded by six squares. The cube can be formed from the pattern of six squares followed along the dotted lines. Each equal dimension is represented by A in the diagram. A cubic unit is a cube whose edge measures 1 unit plus 1 cubic inch. Is a cube whose edge measures 1 inch. Number 6. A pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon and whose other face meet at a point it first. The base B may have any number of sides. However, the other face must be triangles. The distance from the first to the base is equal to the altitude r height a line from the first at right angles to the base. A regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon and whose altitude joins the first and the center of the base. Number 7. A circular cone is a solid whose base is a circle and whose lateral surface comes to a point R. A circular cone will be referred to as a cone. A cone of revolution is formed by revolving a right triangle about one of its legs. This leg becomes the altitude or height of the cone and the other becomes the radius r of the base. Number 8. A sphere is a solid such that every point on its surface is an equal distance from the same point, its center. A sphere is formed by revolving a semicircle about its diameter. Number 9. A circular cylinder is a solid whose base a parallel circles. Any cross-section parallel to the base is also a circle. A circular cylinder will be referred to as a cylinder. A cylinder of revolution is formed by revolving a rectangle about one of its two dimensions. This dimension becomes the height of the cylinder and the one becomes the radius of the base. Thanks for your attention and don't forget to watching our video. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you.